Welcome to the channel. If you're preparing for the IELTS exam and want to achieve the best possible score, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share 10 detailed and practical tips that will guide you step by step through each section of the IELTS exam: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Whether you're aiming for academic or general training, these strategies will help you boost your confidence, improve your skills, and maximize your chances of success. Let's get started. 1. Understand the test format. Familiarize yourself with the exam sections. IELTS has 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each section tests different skills, so it's important to know each part's format and question types. Practice with sample papers. Use official IELTS practice tests and sample papers to get a feel for the real test. This helps with time management and reducing anxiety on exam day. 2. Improve your vocabulary. Learn academic vocabulary. The IELTS exam often uses academic language, so expanding your vocabulary, especially for formal writing and speaking, is crucial. Use a vocabulary notebook. Write down new words, phrases, and expressions you encounter during preparation. Try to use them in context by writing sentences or short essays. 3. Hone your listening skills. Listen to different accents. Since the IELTS listening test uses a variety of English accents, British, American, Australian, listen to podcasts, news, and shows from different English-speaking countries. Practice active listening. Pay attention to specific details like numbers, dates, or keywords. Summarize what you heard to improve comprehension. 4. Practice writing regularly. Understand task types. There are 2 writing tasks in the IELTS exam: Task 1, report writing, and Task 2, essay writing. Practice writing in both formats, and follow the structure required for each. Work on timing. Manage your time efficiently. You should spend around 20 minutes on Task 1 and 40 minutes on Task 2. Practice writing within these time frames to avoid time pressure during the exam. 5. Enhance your speaking skills. Speak English daily. The more you practice speaking English, the more comfortable you will become. Try speaking to native speakers, or join an English-speaking group. Practice common speaking topics. IELTS speaking often revolves around personal experiences, opinions, and everyday topics. Prepare answers for common topics like hobbies, travel, or education. Record yourself, record your speaking practice, and analyze your pronunciation, fluency, and grammar. This will help you identify areas to improve. 6. Improve reading speed and comprehension. Read academic texts. To succeed in the reading section, practice reading articles from newspapers, journals, and websites that use formal language. Skimming and scanning. These techniques will help you locate key information in a text quickly without reading every word, essential for managing time in the reading section. 7. Focus on grammar and sentence structure. Master sentence variety. Use a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences in writing and speaking to show a range of grammatical skills. Correct common mistakes. Pay attention to common errors like subject-verb agreement, tenses, and article usage. Proofread your writing to eliminate these mistakes. 8. Take practice tests. Simulate exam conditions. Practice under exam-like conditions by timing yourself and avoiding distractions. This will help you gauge how well you can manage time during the test. Review your mistakes. After taking practice tests, carefully review the errors you made and focus on improving those areas. 9. Build your confidence. Stay calm during the speaking test. The examiner is assessing your ability to communicate effectively, not your personal opinions. Stay confident and speak clearly. Practice mindfulness or relaxation techniques. If exam anxiety is a concern, practice deep breathing, meditation, or other relaxation methods to stay calm during the test. 10. Take care of yourself. Get plenty of rest before the exam. Make sure to get a good night's sleep before the test day to stay focused. Eat a healthy meal. Have a nutritious meal on exam day to keep your energy levels up. Stay hydrated. Drink water, but avoid overdoing it to avoid interruptions during the exam. That brings us to the end of today's video. Remember, the key to success in the IELTS exam lies in consistent practice, understanding the test format, and building a strong foundation in all areas of English, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Create a study plan that focuses on your weak points and track your progress. With determination and regular effort, you'll see improvement and get closer to your target band score. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your IELTS journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found these tips helpful.